In a cozy bedroom, a little boy plays joyfully with his gerbils, their tiny paws scurrying around. Suddenly, he crinkles his nose at the sight of a stinky cage. "Phew, time for a clean," he exclaims, ready to take action. As he prepares, a cheerful voice narrates, "Hamster hygiene rules help all small pets. First, remember to wash your hands before and after handling your pets. Germs can go both ways. Next, spot clean every day. Scoop poop and wet bedding to keep odors in check. Don't forget, change most bedding weekly, but save some of the old bedding for familiarity. Pets love their home smells. Always provide fresh water every day and remove old food to avoid moldy snacks. And when cleaning, skip strong sprays. Use warm water and a pet-safe cleaner with adult supervision." With his gerbils safely in a playful bin, he lovingly wipes the cage, adds fresh bedding, refills their water, and washes his hands for 20 seconds. The happy gerbils pop up squeaking in delight. And it's clear now, a clean cage means happy pets.